Hello friends, I am Dr. Aarti and today I am going to talk about a painful condition called migraine. So migraine is a condition where person suffers with a severe headache accompanied with nausea, vomiting, and this condition can be triggered by environmental changes, food changes, hormonal changes, anxiety, depression, overthinking, overexcitement. But yoga can be helpful in this condition. But how? Now, as we know, yoga consists of asanas, pranayam, meditation, breathing techniques. So it relaxes our body, but also it focuses on our mind. It relaxes our brain. It relaxes our nervous system by improving the level of serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter, you can say like a happy hormone. So it improves the level of this neurotransmitter which relaxes our brain activity. So this is the actual connection of yoga and our brain. So that's why if you want to control this migraine, control this attack of migraine, you have to work on the causes which actually provoke the situation. So that's why you have to work on the meditation and this relaxation techniques. So I have few asanas for you. Definitely you have to try those asanas according to your capability. You have to hold it for 10 counts, 5 counts, but you have to work, you have to mentally active with your breathing. So breathe in deep, go slowly, stretch slowly, stay into that position and have a control. Try to control your brain, try to control your body, and then you can achieve that relaxation state. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, now let's start with asanas part. Our first asana is tree pose, where you have to stand straight. Take your right foot on the left thigh. You can stretch your hands up or simply you can put it in the namaste position in front of you. Let's hold it for 10 counts with deep breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly relax your hands, relax your leg. Let's repeat it on the left side. Inhale and let's hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax your hands, relax your legs. Now second asana is Padahastasana or forward bending, where you have to stretch your hands up, inhale and try to bend forward slowly without bending your knees. Try to touch your hands down, knees straight and head in. Let's hold for 10 counts again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and inhale, stretch your hands up, relax your hands down. Now from here we are moving on to Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog. For that you have to walk your hands in the front. Take your legs little apart. Make sure your heels are down and take your head down. Let's hold for 10 counts again with deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now from here, take your knees down and we are moving on to cat and camel breathing. You have to inhale, head up, exhale, head in and back up. So let's do it for 3 more times with deep breathing in, breathe out, head down, back up. Inhale, take your head up, exhale, head down. One more. So this is the cat and camel breathing. Now from here, you have to lie down on your stomach for Bhujangasana. So for that, just lie down completely on your stomach. Keep your hands in a chest level and put your chin down. Now from here, inhale, try to lift your head, shoulders and chest up. If you have back pain, you can simply do it in a pain-free range. Let's hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly down. Now from here, we have to move on to child's pose. Like you have to sit into Vajrasana, sit back, try to put your forehead down and keep your hands relaxed. Now this is the relaxation asana, relaxative pose. Drink in the fullness of your breathing. Take few moments to relax. Inhale and exhale. Now when you're ready, now let's sit down, because our next asana is Paschimottanasana, like forward bending into sitting position. For that, again inhale, stretch your hands up, slowly bend forward, try to touch your leg, feet and head down. Let's fold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and relax. Now from here, our next asana is Setu Bandhasana or bridge pose. For that you have to lie down on your back, hands relaxed by the side of your body, and simply lift your back up as much as you can. Of course, with breathe in, relax, effortless breathing. Let's hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now last asana is Shavasana. Complete relaxation. Effortless body, effortless breathing. Relax your hands, relax your legs, close your eyes and concentrate on your breathing. Take 2 deep breathing. Try to relax mindfully. Practice the relaxation of your mind and body. And when you are ready, gently bend your knees, turn to your one side and come back to sitting position. So these are the few asanas which will be very helpful for migraine. Thank you.